Good day. In this lecture, we will be discussing biofuels, focusing on their roles as alternative energy sources. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to recognize biofuels as an alternative energy source and understand their basic types and advantages. Traditionally, fossil fuels have been widely used because they are energy dense and accessible. However, they represent two major problems. They are non-renewable, meaning they take millions of years to form, and their combustion leads to environmental issues such as carbon dioxide emissions, air pollution, and acidification. These concerns motivate the development of alternative fuels. Biofuels are fuels produced from living organisms or organic wastes. To qualify as a biofuel, the material must be largely renewable, typically more than 80%. And because they originate from biomass, biofuels are considered a form of renewable energy. One of the simplest biofuels is wood. It can be burned directly to produce heat, which can then be used to generate electricity. This is one of the oldest forms of energy use. Another is the liquid biofuel called ethanol. These are being produced by fermenting sugars and starches. And in many countries, ethanol is blended with gasoline to produce fuels such as gasohol. This actually reduces dependence on fossil fuels. The next type of fuel is biodiesel. This is being produced from oils such as soybean oil, palm oil, or waste cooking oil. It is commonly used in diesel engines and are often blended with conventional diesel fuel. Future developments include algae-based biodiesel, which has high potential but is not yet economically optimized. The next type is biogas, which is actually considered as the future potential biofuel. Biogas consists mainly of methane produced from the decomposition of organic matter without oxygen. It can be used as a fuel for heating and electricity generation. Looking forward, biofuels have the potential to reduce carbon emissions, especially when combined with technologies like carbon capture and storage, which can remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. That concludes the lecture on biofuels. Focus on how biofuels differ from fossil fuels in terms of renewability, environmental impact, and resources.